Welcome to my vlog. This is Maria and today we're going to make an apple strudel with a twist. To make an apple strudel, we need the following ingredients. We need apples, lemon, walnuts, little bit of sugar, cinnamon, egg for glazing, and little bit of milk. And we have apricot jam, and of course, puff pastry. First step, we need to crush the walnuts because walnuts we will be using it for filling. So let's crush it. I'm going to use a pan so it will be more faster. After crushing the walnuts, so we will set it aside. Now we need to prepare a lemon juice. And then now, we will start to peel the apples and then we will cut them into pieces. To prevent the peeled apples to become brown, we need to put a bit of a lemon juice and water in the bowl. Always make sure to put the peeled apple into the lemon juice water so it will not get brown. Now we need to caramelize the peeled apple in the normal traditional way. They normally use the raw apple, but for me I want it soft, so I need to caramelize them. To caramelize the peeled apple, we need sugar, lemon juice, and for the taste, we need cinnamon. We need to caramelize the sugar, so we need to heat the pan and we need to put the sugar and wait until it gets brown, slightly brown. Okay, now we need to put the apple, but you need to make sure that that you remove the lemon water inside. Now we need to put the lemon juice for the taste. After we caramelize the apple, we will put it in a bowl and then we will put the cinnamon. And then we will set it aside to cool down. After the apple cools down, we need to start the filling. So we need to start putting the apricot jam all over. And then now we need to put the walnuts. After putting the walnuts, we need to put the apple. We need to squeal the egg together with the milk. So I'll put half of the milk and then just... We need to set the oven for 180 degrees and now we need to put the apple strudel inside the oven for 30 minutes. hope you like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!